So here is a quick demo of the app. So we have the app in different themes. So this is light theme. So let me change to dark theme. This is dark theme. So I'm just going to go through the features. So the home page is basic, student information, some suggestions. You can, like cancel, dismiss some. You have quick access. Then you have news and polls that you can react to each message by long pressing. You can change your previous reaction and all these things. We have student election functionality, so you can cast your votes if there's student elections coming up. So this one is still demo for now. So let's go through the features one after the other. So we have attendance. So let's say you're in class, you need to start attendance. You just scan and a signal will be sent from the lecturer's phone, but the second phone I'm supposed to use to test, I'm using it to record. So this will come in a separate video. So the next feature is live class. So you're able to enter a code to join the class, and the list of active classes you've registered for will display here. So for example, let me join this abstract math class. So you can see from here that I can also share on my screen. Let's say I share this screen for the students to check. So it will be displayed on the phone, and I can also see my face from the laptop here. So this is it from the lecturer's view. This is from the lecturer's view, and you can check the participants there. So that's it from the lecturer's view. So let me leave here. Coming back to the app, we also have other features like viewing your timetable. So today is Thursday, so automatically on Thursday you can check your other dates, and reminders will be sent like a couple minutes to the class. We also have shuttle tracker and SOS. So shuttle tracker is demo for now, as per there are no shuttles in the university, so we're going to be hiding that. And SOS is for emergency. So maybe like you have health emergency or security emergency. So this we're just going to link it with the school info. The next is academics page. So this one is attendance summary. This is the active live class. This is like the summary of your timetable. So these are all the courses that the student has registered for. So you can view the schedule. Okay, you have it on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And here you have maybe learning material that has been uploaded by the lecturer. It could be PDF, it could be video, whatever it is. You'll be able to access it here and save it for offline use. So here we have quick tests. So the use case is maybe you could give students assignments or classwork. You said, okay, this opens by October 12th and it closes by November 30. It could be same day, it could be just time difference. And you can set maybe students are only to attempt it once. Here I've put 4 or 5 times, so we've attempted 4 out of 5 times. So here when we start, we can answer questions, submit and all these things. It is secure. You cannot screen record, you cannot take screenshots. You try to take screenshots, it gets blocked. And if you leave this app, if you leave this page, if you swipe down, if you do anything, it is going to automatically submit. So for instance, let me leave the app. So if I leave the app and try to see, it's blacked out here. If I try to go back, you see that it has been automatically submitted and the student has completed the test. So that's the feature about live class, and each attempt will be recorded. So now I've done 5 out of 5 attempts. So if I try to start the test again, I've reached the maximum number of times. So and once the time runs out, that is once it is 6:54 on November 30, this disappears. So next is our AI. So this AI is going to be a conversation model that uses student data to be able to predict their outputs and help them to be better in their academics. So next is payments on page. This one we're just basically going to be showing your fees and everything. And here we have CGPA calculator, so students can help themselves by predicting their grades. It's just going to be a list of students that white list is for people that have good performance, black list is for people that have bad performance. We have report and feedback, so students can give school suggestion or like send anonymous tips if there are some stuff that are happening on campus. We have request exit permits. So if students wants to request to maybe leave the school, so we're going to fill in some details where you're going, everything, and you're going to be sharing your live location with the school. So the school will be notified if at any point you go off course or you decide to stop sharing the live location. Next is job portal. So here we're going to be partnering with other companies to post jobs, IT placements for students to have part-time job or quickly get quick IT placements. So those are the features in the app. Thank you very much.